All right, I have a simple question. I don't want you guys to laugh, but hear me out here. So you have Pro phones, you have Pro Max phones, you have Ultra phones, you have Pro Plus phones. Is the Pro Plus more than the Pro Max? Or is it the Pro phones more than the Max? Or the Pro Max is more than the Pro Plus? Or the Pros are equal to the Ultra? Or the Ultra is equal to a Pro Max? Or the Pro Plus is equal to a Pro Max? God, my head hurts.
Technicational.
Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and let me say this first. We're going to be doing an unboxing video, and the truth is, I told myself I'm not going to do unboxing videos anymore because these phones don't really come with anything in the box to do an unboxing video. And Redmi actually sent over this phone. Big shout out to Redmi, by the way. This is their new Note 12 line, and this is the top tier in the line. It's the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G, and the weight of the box feel like there's a dead person in it. So I just tell myself this is definitely something you can do an unboxing video on, because there must be a lot of goodies in this box, or probably it really is a dead person in the box. Whichever one, we're going to find out together. So let's get right into the unboxing video for this phone. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Now, before we even look by anything, I can tell you this. Xiaomi, Poco, and Redmi are one of the few companies that are actually putting things in their phone boxes, not actually taking them out. So you usually get a USB cable and a charger, and sometimes you get even screen protectors and a gel case. But anyhow, moving right along. So the first compartment up top will give you a SIM ejection tool, and it will also give you booklets, lots and lots of booklets. And also in this compartment you will get a gel case. As I said before, don't sleep on these gel cases, because I'm going to be honest with you, they are really well built, and I kind of prefer them more than the very big, thick, hard cases. They still protect your phone with less bulk. So we also have the phone, but we're going to put that one side and look what else is in the box. And below, definitely you'll find a charger. Brother. Yeah. That is a good size charger. That is the charger of chargers. That is 120 watt of chargers. Okay, I'm not going to exaggerate, but this charger is heavy. This weighs as much as most phones I review. No, matter of fact, it weighs more than most phones we review. This is a 120 watt single port out charger, meaning that's giving out 120 watts fully through one port. Yeah, I'm gonna test this definitely. Anyhow, also in the box you get a USB to USB Type-C cable, and it's pretty thick because it have the ability to handle the 120 watts that's going through it. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the phone before we go. And the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is definitely not a light phone. It has a nice weight to it. It also comes with a headphone jack, and it also has an IR blaster, USB Type-C charging port, stereo speakers. You have a side mounting fingerprint scanner. You have a 60 megapixel front camera, and the star of the show is the 200 megapixel camera at the back. And this phone is a dual SIM phone, but it does not support SD cards. But the good thing is you do get 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM on this model that I have. Yeah, you need to keep in mind though, this is a mid-range phone. So it's somewhere in the region of 400 to close to 500 US dollars. And you're getting a lot for it. Anyway, folks, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'm going to set this up and I'm going to give it a test run for the next couple of days before I drop my review. Please stay tuned for the review with this beast of a charger. I'm hearing that this is going to charge it up from 0 in less than 30 minutes. Man, that's some fast charging. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys. And until next time, keep safe. And remember, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.